To expand AI and data infrastructures, demand outstrips capacity. OpenAI has signed a $38 billion deal to buy cloud services from Amazon Web Services over the next 7 years. As part of the deal, OpenAI will be able to use Amazon's data centers, which are powered by NVIDIA's chips. Rachna standing by to take us through the details. Rachna, OpenAI not reliant only on Microsoft anymore.
That's right. From custom chips with AMD and Broadcom to GPU alliances with NVIDIA, cloud scaling through Amazon, Microsoft and Google, and data center expansion with Oracle, OpenAI is constructing an entire ecosystem it once relied on others for. OpenAI's new partnerships follow a restructuring of its long-standing deal with Microsoft. The two renewed their agreement, keeping Azure as the main platform for OpenAI's deployments, but removed the exclusivity clause that had tied the firm to Microsoft alone. It has since added Google Cloud and expanded its pact with CoreWeave that valued at up to $6.5 billion. Together, these deals ensure OpenAI now runs across 4 major global cloud networks. On the hardware front, OpenAI is pushing deeper into chips. With AMD, it has signed a multi-year agreement covering up to 6 gigawatts of Instinct GPUs, along with warrants for up to 10% of AMD stock. AMD calls OpenAI an early design partner on its next-gen MI450 chips. At the same time, OpenAI is strengthening its ties with NVIDIA. The two have agreed on global rollout of 10 gigawatts of NVIDIA systems, backed by up to $100 billion in phased investment. The first systems go live in 2026 on NVIDIA's new Vera Rubin platform. Alongside these alliances, OpenAI is working with Broadcom to build its custom AI accelerators and networking systems that will deliver another 10 gigawatts of capacity by the end of this decade. And at the infrastructure layer, there's Project Stargate, which is taking shape. Partnering with Oracle, OpenAI is building 4.5 gigawatts of new data center capacity in the US as a part of the global expansion, worth around $300 billion over 5 years. This includes a major hub also in the UAE. For the first time, OpenAI will not just rent compute, but own the infrastructure behind its models together. These deals mark a major strategic shift because OpenAI is no longer dependent on a single provider. It is building a vertically integrated AI powerhouse that spans chips, cloud, and data centers, securing every layer of its growth. So the AI race is no longer just about smarter models. It's about who controls the compute that powers them, and OpenAI is making sure that power from silicon to server is firmly in its own hands.
All right, Rachna, many thanks for joining us. Now, Microsoft is also boosting its AI